Hello and welcome to CryptoNapa. On this episode of CryptoNapa, we're going to take a look at Trail Parachain project. What is Trail? And then I'm going to contribute with my DOT to the project and break down the rewards distributions. The Trail Parachain project on this episode of CryptoNapa. I've got my DOT ready to contribute to this project. Let's take a look at what the Trail project is all about. Trail is the world's first decentralized knowledge graph, organizing humanity's most important assets. It connects the physical world and the digital world in a single connected reality. Trail Parachain extends discoverability, verifiability, and greater value for connected Web3 and assets to Polkadot. And this is the project's website. There's a link down in the description below if you want to check it out. Visit the website, learn more about the Trail Parachain project. And there's a few hours left to contribute to the crowd loan, and I'm going to contribute to the crowd loan now. I'm going to use the Parallel Finance link. You can use my referral link down in the description below. We both get an extra 5%. And this is the page that'll come up using my referral link. Go ahead and connect your wallet. And choose the wallet you want. Go to the crowd loan. And what's great about using the Parallel Finance DeFi platform is I'm also going to receive 4 paratokens for every DOT I contribute. So let's go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to contribute 10 DOT. And put in your password. And the transaction was successful. And the rewards distributions are going to be 20 of the OTP, Native Origin Trail Parachain token. I'm going to get 20 for every DOT I submitted. 25% is going to be available immediately, 75% over the lease period. And I'm super pumped now to be part of the Trail community. Congratulations to everyone that contributed, the whole team, and the community. So until next time, cheers. Where are you going? We've only just begun. I put all kinds of great links down in the description below. Check them out. And please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. Cheers.